In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet. So let's dive in. Google Meet. Okay, let me just go and look for it here. These are Google Meets. Okay, this is Meet. So now this is a Google Meet, and your Google Meet you can use it to connect. You can send it to chat, to connect with people, both audio and a video. You can use Google Meet to do a meeting. You can use your Google Meet to do a tutorial. So let's dive in. So just add a number. You had your number. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm going to add a number now and click on continue. Okay, sorry guys. Just click on continue. Okay, I think this is 0, so just remove the 0 and click on continue. So there's something wrong with it. Just click on not now. Not now. Later you can go and add your number. Now welcome to Google Meet. Now this is your Meet, and for your Meets you want to do anything. You want to make a meeting and you want to do a tutorial. Click on new, and now is it a meeting? Schedule your Google Calendar. Great. So let's see the person you want to call. So I'm going to call one of my person now. Check you. Okay now. So now if you want to do it, you have to invite to use a Google Meet. So I'm going to search an invite list now. Just click on invite, and this is it. Now you can see what you can do is on this one now is because you can just click on this to make it video. You can click on it to make it audio. So now once this person you have invite, it's going to send an invite to that person, and that person will join in when the person is also online. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment. Drop any comments if you did not understand anything here, you're free to drop comments, and trust me guys, I'm going to do a tutorial on your comments. So guys, thank you guys.